Hello, I'm John Butler, Director of Hypnotherapy Training International. I'm looking forward to being in Germany, in Cologne, during the summer, teaching a course on transform performance. Now, this is a course specially designed to help people optimize their performance. As a therapist and coach, you'll be helping people who want to perform in different areas of their lives, perform at a higher level, and we're all performing. Now, there'll be, of course, celebrity people who want to do better in their work or deal with their stressors and so on. And there'll be sports people. And we've helped a lot of those people over the years to perform to optimum levels. Gil Boyne was known for his work with many, many high performers. First of all, in the field of acting, he had many famous actors and actresses come to him, and he was legendary in that field, in fact. He was also a psychological coach for baseball teams, football teams, basketball teams, and so on. He did an enormous amount of work in that field. So he was, in many ways, really the originator in the modern era of hypnotherapy for optimum performance. You'll be learning the up-to-date scientific knowledge about Zen states, flow states, how to get into that state of optimal performance, of the most dynamic relaxation and release of potential, and clearing away baggage that may be interfering with performance, such as fear of failures and fear of success, negative blocks, low self-esteem, self-sabotaging mechanisms we may engage in, and developing the qualities of the mind that are so necessary, the ability to be highly motivated and disciplined, to develop the persistence and grit, that mental toughness that's so critical for success. So apart from the most basic cognitive abilities that are often talked about as being key to success, you'll be learning those, of course, but you'll be learning also the power, the punch of hypnosis as you release subconscious power to really focus in with the visualization, imagination, and the best kinds of programming that will help you to fix on the goal, that kind of laser-like intensity that's needed for success. On top of that, you'll be learning how to clear baggage from the past that may be inhibiting performance, feelings of being undeserving of success and so on, so that the client can really develop the feeling of being a winner, the success consciousness. All of that will be part of the training and much more that you'll be learning about with us in Cologne. And so for you as a therapist to optimize your performance and to help your clients achieve the very highest levels of success, this is the course for you. So I look forward to seeing you in Cologne and being with you there and taking you through all the practical skills, the knowledge, the techniques that you'll be learning on that course. Thank you very much for listening and watching.